Hello, and welcome back to another video made by HEIC Technologies. If you take a photo on your iPhone and then try to access it on your Mac, you may find that the file format is .heic. Now, this isn't a problem for modern Macs. However, you may run into problems when trying to export it to sites such as Google Drive, YouTube, or other photo sharing sites. The solution to this is to convert the .heic photo to a .jpeg photo. To do this, we can make a small tool that will automatically convert for us. Let's get into how we can do it. To create the tool, open Spotlight Search and search for Automator. Then open Automator. After Automator opens, select Application and choose. Now we are in the blank workflow area. We only need two actions here. Start by searching Finder. Then drag in the arc for Finder items. I recommend checking the Allow Multiple selection to allow multiple photos to be selected and converted at once. After that, search for Convert. Then drag in the Change Type of Images. If you would like to, you can have the application automatically make a copy of the photos. In my case, I don't want a copy, I just want it to convert. So I'm clicking Don't Add. Now we can choose the format of image we want to be outputted. In our case, you want to choose JPEG, JPEG. Now, this basic application will ask you for a photo to convert, then convert the photo to a .jpeg file, which is widely used over many sites, and you shouldn't run into problems with that file format. To actually create the application and take it from this Automator script to an application, hold Command and press S to save it. Then you can call it whatever you want. In my case, I'm just going to call it HEIC to JPEG. And then you can choose where to save it. I recommend saving it in the Applications folder. Make sure that file format is set as Application and click Save. As you can see here, now when I go into the Launchpad, I can see my HEIC to JPEG application. This will successfully convert HEIC photos to .jpeg photos. Thanks for watching this video made by HEIC Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video.